Good morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all good. So now everyone open studio page number 17 children. Okay, open studio page number 17. So first read the title of the chapter children, lines and shape. So in this chapter we are going to learn about lines and shape. So first join the dots in the pictures given below. Okay, here you have to join these dots and complete this picture everyone children. Like this you have to join these dots. Yes, everyone join these lines. So after joining this ones you have to check children. We are given two boxes now. Box 1 and box 2 have different sets of lines. Match the pictures with the type of lines used to draw them. Okay, we have to match the lines. Which type of lines we use it to draw a house and draw a hut. Okay, shall we check children? So first, which type of lines we use it to draw a house? This line, this type. These lines are these lines children. So for drawing house, we use this type of lines. Yes children? No. So we used only this type of lines. Okay, we used only this type of lines to draw a house. So everyone match this house to the box 2. Next, which type of lines we use to draw a hut children? So here how we draw? We draw like this. So which type of lines we used? Yes, box 1. Okay, house you have to match with box 2 and hut you have to match with box 1. So in the above activity, straight lines are used to house and curved lines are used to draw the hut. Okay, so we draw the house like this children. Yes. Am I correct? We draw the house like this. For drawing house we use all straight line. But drawing hut, what lines we use children here? So we use curved lines. For drawing hut we use curved lines. Okay, we use curved lines. So now in this class we are going to learn about straight lines and curved lines children. So now I draw some lines. You can identify this is straight line or curved line. Okay. You have to identify this is straight line or curved line. So yes, now tell me children, what line it is? This is straight line. And what line it is children? Is this straight line? No, this is curved line. Yes, what line is children? Curved line. What line it is? Straight line. Yes, what line it is children? These two straight lines. You have to identify like this children. Next, turn to next page, page number 18. Color the shapes. Use blue color for the shapes with curved lines and red for the ones with straight lines and green for the shapes that have both straight lines and curved lines. Okay, here you have to check children. What are the shapes formed by straight lines? So first shape. Is this shape formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes children. This is formed by straight lines. If the shape formed by only straight lines, you have to use red color. Okay, for this you have to use red color to color this. Color this star. Next. Second one, moon. So it is formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes children, this is formed by curved lines. Okay, if it is formed by curved lines, you have to use blue color. Okay, use blue color to color this moon. Next, you have to see this picture children. Is this formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes, this is curved line children and this is straight line. So this is formed by both straight line and curved line. So if it is formed by both straight line and curved lines, you have to use green color. You have to use green color. And for this, is this formed by straight lines or curved line? Yes, this is formed by only straight line. So you have to use red color. You have to use red color to color these pictures. Next, look around. Look around for different numbers like 1, 2 and so on. Pick one which has straight lines and which one has curved lines and also look for the numbers which has both. So first tell me children, is this number 1 formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes, 1 is formed by only straight lines. Okay, we drawn straightly. So this is straight line. And now we have to check number 2 children. Yes, is this formed by straight line or curved line? Yes, this is curved line and this is straight line. So this is formed by both. Both means both straight lines and curved lines. Next 3. So 3 is formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes, only curved lines children. Okay, 3 is formed by only curved lines. So no need to write anywhere, just listen children. Next 4. Is this 4 formed by straight lines or curved lines? Yes, this is formed by only straight lines. Okay, this is formed by only straight lines. So just we have to check remaining numbers also children. 5 is formed by straight or curved. 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to check it. These are formed by straight lines or curved lines or both straight lines or curved lines. You have to check it. Okay. Now everyone open companion. Yes, open companion children. Companion page number 9. Open companion page number 9. Gear up. Trace the shapes to complete the snowman. Okay, here given snowman. No, here given dots children. Just you have to trace it and complete this picture. Okay, here you have to trace the shapes to complete the snowman and think of a nice name for him. So after tracing this shape, you have to give a suitable name for him. Okay children, is it clear? Yes. Next, turn to next page. Trace the straight and curved lines. Okay, here these are straight lines and these are curved lines. Just you have to trace it children and you have to identify which is straight line and which is curved line you have to identify. Okay. Next, page number 11. Join the dots to complete the pictures. Okay, here you have to join the dot. Yes children, so what picture it is? This is butterfly. And what it is children? Yes, this is TV. Butterfly, TV. So you have to join the dots to complete these pictures. And after joining these dots, you have to identify children. Is this formed by straight lines or curved lines? And TV is also formed by straight lines or curved lines. You have to identify. So the TV has dash lines. Yes, you have to. Is this straight lines or curved lines? Yes, children, these all are straight lines. No. Here, given already straight. Here you have to write the TV has straight lines. The butterfly has dash line. So, is this straight lines or curved lines, children? The butterfly is like this, no. So, is this straight lines or curved lines? Curved lines. So, here write just curve. The butterfly has curved lines. Okay, butterfly has curved lines. So, like that we have to complete page number 9, 10 and 11 in companion children. So, in page number 9 and 10 just you have to trace it only. Okay, in page number 11 also same children, just you have to trace it and you have to identify these pictures formed by curved lines or straight lines. Okay. So, in today's class what we have learned children? So, just we have discussed about straight lines and curved lines. Okay, straight lines and curved lines. So, now tell me children, what type of line it is? This is curved line. And what type of line it is children? These are straight lines. Okay, these are straight lines. Okay, and everyone complete the given homework and post in Google Classroom children. Thank you. Have a nice day.